Hi everyone! In this video, we will graph a linear equation by plotting points. Graph the line by plotting points, y equals x fourths minus 2. The first thing we want to do is create a chart so we can make a list of ordered pairs. And because this is solved for y, we can pick a bunch of values for x, and since it's already solved for y, it'll simplify some of our calculations. We get to pick any values we want. I love 0, so I'm going to pick 0. And I can see that x is being divided by 4. This means I want to pick values of x that are evenly divisible by 4 so that I have whole numbers to graph. So I'm going to pick -4 and 8. I could pick any other numbers. However, if it isn't a multiple of 4, then I'll end up with fractions. Those are very difficult to graph accurately. Now we can solve for y by plugging in 0 for x. So we get y equals 0 divided by 4 minus 2. Y equals 0 divided by 4 is 0. 0 minus 2 is -2. So our y-coordinate for x equaling 0 is -2, and we have the ordered pair 0, -2. Let's go ahead with the next one, which is -4, and substitute that in for x. So we get y equals -4 divided by 4 minus 2. Y equals -4 divided by -4 is -1. -1 minus 2 is -3, so y equals -3, and the y-coordinate for the point -4 is -3, and we have the ordered pair -4, -3. For our final one, we'll substitute 8 in for x, so we get y equals 8 divided by 4 minus 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so the y-coordinate is 0 for the ordered pair 8, 0. Now that we have all of these ordered pairs, now we just need to plot these points. Starting with the first one, 0, -2, we start at the origin and move 0 units to the left and right in the x direction, and down 2 units for the y direction, and there's our point. Our second point is -4, -3. Again, we start at the origin, and we move -4 in the x direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here we move down 3 units, 1, 2, 3, in the y direction. For our last point, we start at the origin and move 8 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in the x direction, and 0 units up and down for the y, so it lies right on the x-axis. Now I'm going to use a straight edge to line up all of my points as accurately as possible to draw my graph. Connecting all the points gives us the graph of the equation, and now we're all done.